Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to the channel Touch the Sky. In today's video I will tell about the next Japanese government scholarship for 2022, and this is a fully funded scholarship. In this video I will also tell you the full procedure of this scholarship, that how to apply for next Japanese government scholarship, and will also tell you that how to apply, and will tell you the requirements and eligibility criteria for BS, MS and PhD students. And I will also tell you that how to fill the online form and how to submit it. दोस्तों, वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आप सब दोस्तों से मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारा चैनल टच द स्काई सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल का आइकन भी प्रेस करें, ताकि हमारी नए आने वाली वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। तो दोस्तों, चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। So friends, this is mixed Japanese government scholarship 2022 fully funded. The Japanese government announced mixed Japanese government scholarship 2022 in all countries now. The mixed scholarship will provide 9,500 scholarship to undergraduate, master and PhD programs from Japanese universities. The mixed scholarship is a famous largest scholarship program by the Japanese government. The Japanese government will cover all the expenses during the scholarship period. Friends, the good news is that the knowledge of the Japanese language and IELTS or TOEFL is not mandatory for the mixed Japan scholarship. You will study in Japan without IELTS or TOEFL. Friends, this is very good news for you, that you will not need to do an IELTS test or TOEFL. All the academic fields and majors are available to study. The applicant will study at any of the Japanese university. The next Japanese government scholarship is open to all the participants from Asia, Pacific, North America, Latin America and the Caribbean, Europe, Middle East, Africa, who have diplomatic relationship with Japan. All the above countries have the diplomatic relationship with Japan. All the Japanese universities are participating in the mixed scholarship, and all fields of study available in Japanese university. The full details are in this link, which I have shared in the description with you. You can check more detail in the link which I have given in the description. Scholarship countries: Japan. Degree levels are bachelor's, master and PhD degrees. Financial coverage is fully funded, and the online applications are open now, but the deadline is different for each country. You can check the deadline for your country, which have given below in this page. The Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology Mixed of Japan offers scholarship for undergraduate, master and doctoral degree in the fields which you have studied in your country. The duration for mixed scholarship 2022 are 4 to 5 years for undergraduate, 2 to 3 years for master degrees and 3 to 4 years for PhD degrees. The fields of study are the as stated above. The Japanese government offers all the types of study option available in Japan universities, from social science to engineering, medical health, arts, humanities, etc. There are no academic fields restrictions. The financial coverage which is given by the universities are: the mixed Japanese government scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for international students to study in Japan for free. All the expenses will be covered by the Japanese government. The allowances are monthly stipend allowance, preparatory allowance is 2022 rate. Educational fees includes fees for the entrance examination. Tuition fees at the universities will be paid by the mixed government scholarship. Traveling expenses including transportation to Japan next will cover your round airfare travel expenses from your home country to Japan. The airline ticket will be an economy class ticket for the flight. Accommodations include residence hall for international students provided by the university. The eligibility criteria for the students in Japan are: applicant must have the nationality of a country that has diplomatic relationship with Japan. All these countries you can check below in this page, and the link I have given in the description, you can check from there. An applicant who has Japanese nationality at the time of applicant is not eligible. Keep in your mind. Applicants in principle must have been born on or after April 2, 1985. Master courses: applicants who have completed 16 years of school education in countries other than Japan. The applicant must not be from Japan. The doctoral courses: applicants who have completed 18 years of school education in countries other than Japan. Language: as I told you friends above that the knowledge of the Japanese language and IELTS or TOEFL is not mandatory for this scholarship. Now you don't need to worry about IELTS or TOEFL. Friend, this news is a very good news for you. If you don't have an IELTS or TOEFL test, you are also eligible for this scholarship. These are the countries with the deadlines. You can check all the countries with its deadlines. This is Brunei Darussalam, and deadline for this country is 28 May 2021. And this is Indonesia, and the deadline for Indonesian students is 7th May 2021. For Malaysian student 8 May 2021. Myanmar deadline online application are open. For Nepal it's for 14th May 2021, which is first. For Pakistan it is 21st May 2021 for graduate students and 28 May for 2021 for undergraduate students. So friends, few days are remaining for Pakistani students and you can apply. So friends, hurry up and do the online apply for this scholarship if you are eligible. Singapore deadline is 25 June 2021. Bangladesh, you can check from directly visit here. For Bhutan, Cambodia, China, Hong Kong. For Iran and India, Laos, Maldives, Mongolia, the Philippines, Sri Lanka, Thailand, you can check all the countries list from this link which I have given in the description with you. So friends, I hope that you have liked my video, and if you guys like my video, do share my video with your friends and do subscribe my channel for more informative videos. So friends, see you again in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz.